If you want to stay home, survive your the coronavirus, like find the virus disappear from our earth, do not gather with people in a village.
How to survive the coronavirus. Let's get started.
Number 1.
Stay in home if you want your family safe from virus corona.
Number 2.
If you want to leave the house, only for important things like work, shopping, and do not gather with people in a place.
Number 3.
Avoid contact directly between people so as not contracting.
Number 4.
If you feel the symptom of flu, immediately go to the hospital.
Number 5.
Obey the government so that we are safe from the coronavirus.
Number 6.
May we all survive the danger of the coronavirus and mind the coronavirus disappear from our earth. And thank you for watching. See ya.